Hello and good morning. Well, I'm out of the fairy tale shelter and back on track to get in. Well, it wasn't off track, but back on trail. Getting onto the actual halfway point, physical, like mileage point, because Harper's Ferry was like the mental halfway point. And onto the half-gallon challenge. Half-gallon challenge is basically you eat a half-gallon of ice cream and then they time you, and there's no real reward except for a wooden spoon that says that you completed the half-gallon challenge. Now, being lactose intolerant, there's not any amount of lactate that I would ever take or be able to take to cause me to not be sick after that. So I will not be doing that. I think in the video before I spoke about getting my pint of ice cream, little guy, and watching the rest of them suffer through the challenge. Maybe get some video of them going through at the beginning and then how they're progressing along the way. But yeah, that's at the end of our hike today of like 17, 18 miles, so it's not too bad, especially when the terrain's supposed to flatten out pretty good. So yeah, it is humid though, and whew, everything is wet from yesterday. It's still wet, and it's not going to dry anytime soon. So a few days of wet clothes, wet socks, wet shoes, wet everything. Joyous. The joyous things of being on trail. Oh well. We will endure, we will survive, and we will thrive. Until then, I'm gonna keep hiking. Almost halfway. This forest is amazing. Like the barren trees, so much of it. And the path ahead is like wide. So cool. You can kind of like see forever through the trees. Yeah, this is awesome. See here. Yep. As you can see, the halfway mark, and Mariposa has already tried to kill herself before the halfway mark, but she alive. We alive. And we've made it halfway to Katahdin. Now the next feat is to be alive when we get to Katahdin. So we're gonna try our best to get through Pennsylvania and their rocks without dying. Yes, we will.
Way.
Yeah, 3 states over halfway. Georgia, North Carolina, Tennessee, Virginia, West Virginia, Maryland, and now we're in Pennsylvania for 1,100 miles. And we're still standing, y'all. And walking. Always walking. Pine Grove Furnace General Store. Well, we'll be purchasing the ice cream for the half-gallon challenge. Again, I will not be participating, but I will watch in gleeful surprise as everyone finishes all of their ice cream. Alright, we have Mariposa here, and she's about to start her half-gallon challenge past the halfway mark. And what flavors did you choose for your torture today?
Banana pudding.
Yay!
And cappuccino crunch.
That sounds delicious. So I'd like you to take a look at her face right now, because we're going to compare it to when she's done.
That looks pretty good, so I'm excited for that one. After this one.
Oh, well, we wish you good luck. And may the adventure begin.
Yay.
Alright.
Ready. Timer.
Oop, I hit the... Now we're going to check on the progress of our challenge here. How do you feel? Yeah? Okay.
Getting there.
Yeah?
Their chunks are getting hard.
This is why I'm not doing this. But I get to laugh. Oh, she's going for it. 39:42. Look at the champ. She's rolling through it. Look at it done. Done. 39:50 on mine. What do you got?
39:50.
Yeah. Congratulations. Woo!
Okay.
Now hopefully she doesn't.
Yeah, no puking.
And now we're here with participants that are just starting their half-gallon challenge. Guys, how are you feeling?
Feeling good.
I'm feeling pretty apprehensive. I know how this is going to go down.
Do you all have any strategies in place?
I'm just going to take my time, slow and steady. Herd that wins the race.
I'm gonna go complete animal and just try to run as fast as possible. No strategy involved.
Very interesting. And what made you want to do this? What inspired you? What was your reason?
Well, a lot of folks that were ahead of us were finishing it and then putting their photos in the group chat. And I felt I had to do this as a point of personal pride. And yeah, that's about it.
I'm the type of guy, I've always wanted to live life to the fullest. So that's my motivation for doing this.
Man, that makes me want to do it now.
Ranger, you should do it. Half-gallon challenge.
I heard you won't.
Did you just say I won't?
I did.
I'll be right back, you all.
This is so good.
Thank you all for doing that. I've been thinking about that all day.
As you can see, our Beers in Beautiful Places Ranger was recording her interviews with these two knuckleheads who's going to partake in the ice cream half-gallon challenge, and Ranger will be joining them. Let's see what happens. Update to the challenge.
Half-gallon challenge.
He's taking a break because he's like, you know what? See, look at that. He's almost done. He's just like, man, I got the quickest time ever.
I think I am done.
I got no worries.
No, you got this, Smoke. Or take
Come on,
5 minutes. Take a breather. You can do it.
Yeah. Nice. Good work, y'all. Good work.